With BMW Efficient Dynamics, BMW strives to enhance fuel economy while still delivering best-in-class performance. The engineers work tirelessly to develop innovative technology to reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions while simultaneously enhancing each vehicle's dynamic performance. BMW's Efficient Dynamics strategy is aimed squarely at the conflict created by customer demand for more power on the one hand and better fuel economy on the other. Efficient Dynamics attempts to resolve this conflict through engine optimization, energy management, aerodynamics, and weight reduction. Today's inline six cylinders are a perfect example of this strategy.
We are convinced that the customer wants to have more performance from step to step. A big step forward was turbo technology and the direct injection. These fit perfectly together, and the response of the engine is excellent, the performance is good, and the fuel consumption as well.
All BMW engines offered in the United States feature fuel-saving technologies. Innovations such as double Vanos technology combined with Valvetronic together optimize the air-fuel mixture, increasing fuel economy and horsepower simultaneously.
We lower the fuel consumption with the Valvetronic about 10% from a normal aspirated engine. It was a big task, but we did it.
The 3-liter twin-turbo power plant is the world's first inline six with twin turbos, high-precision fuel injection, and a lightweight all-aluminum crankcase. By employing two smaller turbos instead of the usual larger single unit, combined with direct fuel injection, the engine achieves power on demand and outstanding fuel efficiency. Reducing weight has been a mantra at BMW throughout its entire history. It is one of the 4 cornerstones of the company's Efficient Dynamics strategy. In the 3-liter six-cylinder with Valvetronic, weight is reduced through the use of magnesium, another exclusive BMW innovation. Inside the world's largest pressure casting machine at BMW's Landshut foundry, the 1290-degree liquid alloy is poured around the aluminum engine cores and fused together under tremendous pressure. The Efficient Dynamics strategy also encompasses the very best in diesel technology. BMW's twin-turbo inline six-cylinder advanced diesel engine produces nearly as much torque as the mighty V12, and fuel economy levels are roughly 30% better than with a comparable gasoline engine.
The diesel engine that we will bring to the United States will be a 3-liter inline six with a twin turbocharger, and that engine really generates huge amounts of torque. I give you a number, it's well over 420 pound-feet, and that, just to give you an idea of it, is more than the M5 is actually generating. Diesel cars, in average, need 30% less fuel while driving around. In other words, you get 30% more miles per gallon out of a diesel car with comparable power output, and that is something that is great. More miles per gallon mean less CO2, and that is certainly good for the environment.
BMW has designed its U.S. diesel engines to meet the requirements of states with the strictest emission standards, such as California. High-tech new facilities at BMW's Emissions Test Center in Oxnard, California, will perform rigorous quality audits on diesel vehicles for the U.S., Taiwan, Singapore, and Japan. The center tests not only emission gases, but also the particulate matter in a temperature and humidity-controlled cleanroom. The European standard for nitrous oxide particulates in the exhaust is 25 milligrams per kilometer. With BMW's diesel particulate filter, it's an incredible ultra-low 2.5 milligrams per kilometer, 10 times cleaner than required. 2009 will also see the introduction of BMW's first two-mode active hybrid.
The introduction of two-mode hybrid in 2009 will set a complete new pattern when it comes to hybrid technologies.
The vehicle can be driven at low speeds exclusively by the electric motors. It can be powered by the combustion engine alone, or it can use a combination of both. Whichever mode is chosen, this high-powered vehicle operates with maximum efficiency in any driving situation. The Efficient Dynamics strategy focuses on liquid hydrogen as the fuel of the future. Through the Clean Energy Initiative, BMW vehicles with hydrogen-powered internal combustion engines have demonstrated their ability to address the issues of energy security and the environment while providing the exhilarating driving experience expected of the BMW brand.